This is the third time we talk about changing shift cables. This is a Sram X5 GripShift. Not so common, but it's worth sharing as it's quite special. Actually, it's very simple. You don't have to take apart anything. First, you turn to the highest gear, which is the smallest sprocket. If you are using a front derailleur, turn to the lowest gear, the smallest chainring. Then spin the pedal and make sure the chain is on the smallest sprocket. Loosen the shift cable. Use a cable cutter to cut the ferrule or the freight section. Push the cable up like this. The cable should come out. Turn in the barrel adjuster to the end. There is no barrel adjuster on the X5 derailleur. If you have compressed air, clean the cable housing. I must say the following things very carefully. Some ask, should I add lubricants to the cable housing? As for solid gel-like grease, it's not recommended as it will backfire. The cable may get stuck. For cable housing specific lube, you can add a little. But for other liquids, judge it yourself. Make sure the shifter is on the highest gear. Then put the cable back in like this. Pull the cable until tight and lock the cable to 5 Nm. Without a torque wrench, add about 40 degrees when you feel resistance. Downshift one gear to see if it can shift. If it cannot shift, turn out the barrel adjuster a bit. For a detailed rear derailleur adjustment video, you can watch another video. Thanks for watching.